Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in an Audi A6. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key items: a wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil for your specific Audi A6 model. Don't forget a new oil filter and a fresh drain plug washer for a proper seal. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely lift your Audi A6 using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands for stability. Once it's elevated, locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath the plug, then carefully remove it to allow the old oil to flow out completely. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter and plug. Use your specialized oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, replace the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it to the manufacturer's specification. Almost done? Now, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill port. Once filled, start your Audi A6's engine for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil, then shut it off. Check underneath for any leaks. Finally, use the dipstick to verify the oil level, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.